Hi class, my name is Kristen Schlick. My experience in the field is that for the last 14 years I have been a preschool teacher and director of a local preschool here. And before that I did also licensed childcare for my home. My feelings about science, math, and technology is I do not like big people math and science. That is not fun. I love preschool science and math. Making connections between math and life through patterns, shapes, and sizes is fun. Doing calculus and crazy formulas, not fun. Science at this stage is a lot like magic to me. When you put different things together and then it becomes something else, and just seeing the light on the face of the children when they do experiments is really a big joy of mine. And I love technology, any kind of technology. I'm kind of a junkie. So an integrated approach to curriculum is where different subjects are all used together for learning. One of my favorites is like making Play-Doh from a recipe. So you have language development when you're discussing the different ingredients, the materials, the procedure. There's listening to the children, having them listen to you. There's conversation. There's also literacy. You are showing them the print on the recipe card and following it with your fingers so that they can understand that the print together, the alphabet together forms words. Words form sentences, which create ideas and other literacy concepts. It also involves science. When you are mixing ingredients together to create the Play-Doh, they can observe the mixture and how the materials feel and look and smell. And it also involves math, where we are measuring the ingredients and counting when we're adding, say, 3 tablespoons of something. They are also comparing the sizes of measuring spoons and measuring cups. So I look forward to getting to know everyone more during this course, and I look forward to seeing your videos as well. Thank you for viewing mine. Have a great day. Bye.